everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today, for a 3-minute mini build, we are going to be building this ATM. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the ATM itself, and it will be attached to the wall, so we're going to build it sideways at the moment. We will need a 2x4 standard base plate and a 2x2 standard base plate, and we're going to place them like so. If you can see that correctly. Now at the back, a 1x4 standard base plate on top here. And we're going to quickly add the screen while we're here. So a 2x2 standard base plate. If you have some kind of decorative screen, then feel free to use that. So here's a closer look at what we have at the moment. And underneath that, a double cheese slope. I'm using this light grey. I can pretend is the keypad where we put, you know, our pin number. But anyway, let's add some style on this. So we're going to be using these slopes, these 1x3 kind of downward slopes. I'm going to stick them on either side here to give us a little downward slope. And now what else do we need? Well, a 1x4 standard base plate here at the top, a 2x2 standard base plate in yellow as well. Speaking of yellow, you can make this any color you like. I'm just using this to make it stand out, and one of these double slopes, the kind that wrap around our ATM over here. And we just need to get a 100 value bill. Just stick it over here to show that this is the ATM. You can get your money from over here. Okay, so let's put that aside because we're going to build the wall that we're going to be needing to attach this to. So we're going to come back here. We're going to be using a 6x4 standard base plate, and we're just going to stick some bricks. I'm using these thin standard bricks of the light blue version. And to attach our ATM to the wall, we will need these side attachment bricks. And next to that, we'll be needing these little tiny 1x1 bricks to side it off like this, and a 1x4 standard base plate on top just to level it out. Then all we need is a few more bricks to pile it all up. Now we're going to bring back our ATM, and you see the rear here. We're just going to stick the bottom part to the, well, preferably the bottom part. Let me see. Yeah, like this. And there we go. So there we have it. Our ATM is complete. Now this is embedded into the wall, and I've built a wall just to symbolize that you can attach it to a wall. But you could also take this off and build some kind of standalone object for it, so it can stand absolutely anywhere in a city, in a town, or next to the bank where you usually find these things. And who's going to be taking the money out today? Well, I have, not Stephanie, but Stephanie's rabbit, Daisy. Hello, I'd like to get some money, please. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!
Hello, I'd like to withdraw 300 carat dollar bills, please.
Sorry, we do not comprehend. 300 carat dollar bills.